guys, it's Tulin here, and I know it's been quite some time since I posted a video last, and I'm sorry for that. Life gets the best of you at times. Now, today I just wanted to do kind of like a follow up of APRA's new Prudential Standard CPS234. So, my last video, we kind of went through what APRA is, what they do here in Australia, what CPS234 is, what it means to the financial services industry, and how to begin to get ready for CPS234. Now, I imagine a lot of companies and a lot of the listeners here are probably already in process of getting ready for CPS234. There's only a few weeks left. 1st of July is a date that it will be in place, and I know APRA have already begun asking a lot of companies, I know they've been asking some of my clients what they're doing for CPS234, how it's looking for them, looking at their progress, and potentially coming in a couple of months or over the course of 6 months to do a proper review of how you're going with CPS234. Now, just a few pointers, like if you haven't started yet or you're really struggling to get in line with it, one key thing I could definitely recommend everybody is to first understand the systems and the data that you are currently using and housing in your company. So you need to understand what data you're exactly dealing with, because this is what it comes down to. And your other assets like software, hardware that you are housing, which this data may or may not sit on as well. You need to do criticality assessments. You need to do confidentiality assessments as well to understand whether it's sensitive information, public information, confidential information, personal information. And according to that, you obviously will perform your risk assessments. And then this will then give the company, the board, and senior management an idea of whether or not the controls in place around those systems and that data is actually good enough. So once you have a picture of that, it will really, really help you with creating your remediation plans. And this is kind of what APRA wants to see. On top of that, though, they do want to see the framework that's covering all of that. Now, that framework can include a policy, a procedure, a book of standards, which could be your controls or future controls, which you're working to be in line with. And this is what they want to see too. They want to see staff awareness. They want to see training happening. They want to see that you're letting your people know what's going on and educating them. So this is a key thing and probably one of the biggest gaps across every company that I have worked with. And I would strongly suggest that you do staff awareness training. So that's all I'm going to cover for today, guys. But if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or comment below. I might do a follow-up video depending on the feedback I get from this one. Anyway, cheers, guys. Have a good one.